Looks like a tough race out there.
Real champions aren't afraid of a little snow.
Hope you like sliding, McQueen. Let's do this. Don't lose focus, kid. I've got control. This win is mine. Something's not right. Something's not right. The stands.
Help! We're stuck!
I can't ignore this.
I'm here to help. Lift them out first.
Copy that.
Thank you.
Not my problem. Not in Katznish. That's real courage, kid. Almost there. Almost there.
Everyone's clear. Let's go!
I won.
That's okay.
He saved them.
Today's hero is Lightning McQueen.
I just did what was right.
That's the real win.
Tis our temps sectors.
Tenenton. This Christmas race is gonna be legendary. Hope you brought championship and chains, McQueen. Ice loves winners. Smooth is fast on ice. Don't fight it, ride it. All right, steady and fast. Mine. Easy, check.
The surface is changing. Watch the blue patches.
Oops. Slippery. Whoa. Breathe. Match my angle. All right. Game on. Crack line ahead. Keep left. I do not need tips. I do not need tips. Check. Check. Pull out. Out. I'm stuck! Get me out! Forget the lap! We save him first! Hold still, chick! I've got you! Ease back slow. Keep your wheels straight. Don't drop me again.
Thanks.
I guess. Now finish what you started, kid. This one's for Christmas. Smooth and steady. You've got it. Yes. You raced it smart, and you saved a rival. That's a real champion.
The snow looks so beautiful today.
It really does. Whoa! That's a lot of meltwater. Oh, that's bad.
Hey, I'm slipping. Help! The current is too strong.
Hold on, Sally. I'm right behind you. Don't worry. I'm coming too.
I can't stop myself.
I'm not letting you go. Hang tight, Sally. I got an idea.
Lightning! This is getting worse.
Almost there, Sally. Keep steady. Waterfall incoming. We gotta stop her. I won't let you go over that edge. Gotcha lined up. Talkaboy guy and candy.
Mater! You got me.
Hang on! I'm stopping ya! Stopping ya! We've almost got you out!
We've most got out. I'm safe. I'm safe. Thank you both. You took a rough ride there.
Whew. That was one wild rescue.
I'm really glad you two were here.
Next time, let's avoid surprise rivers, okay? And here, I thought I'd just enjoy a calm, snowy day.
Let's head home. I've had enough adventure for today.
What a perfect day for a drive.
Hey,
What are you doing? Let me go. This isn't funny.
Something feels wrong.
I can't keep doing this. No rest. No fuel.
They don't care. There.
I won't take this anymore. Enough. You made me this way. Feel my pain. I was forgotten.
McQueen, this isn't you. You're still the car I love.
I remember it. Amber. Back.
I knew you'd come back. Mapitate.
I'll never let anger control me again. Ooh. You've been through a lot, kid.
I almost lost myself.
Let's move forward.
Ready for a new start.
Together.
Together.
Ha! Second place looks good on you, McQueen. It's not over. Not for me. Keep your tires straight, boys. Sponsors don't pay for losers. Move. Move. Chick. Chick. Enough.
Just get home. Just get home. Just get home.
This, what I've got now.
Look, the champ is doing chores. Is doing chores. Keep driving. McQueen, you all right?
Why is it so hard to breathe?
Ow! The nurse is saving the patient.
He needs help. Move! Let them pass, chick.
They don't care. There.
Stay with me, okay? I'm trying.
If I don't wake up.
Don't say that. You will. Wait, that's me? McQueen? Okay, this is weirdly awesome.
He's finished. Always knew it. Don't talk like that. Oh, I heard that. Hey, who did that? Chick, you okay? McQueen? Is that you?
Maybe, maybe not.
If it is, you should come back.
Okay, I'm going in. You can do it! Sally, I'm back. Don't ever scare me like that again.
I won't. Nope, I don't like this.
You said things you can't take back.
Morning.
He's got ghost powers. He's just recovering.
Ghost powers? What are you talking about?
It was you! Floating, glowing. I might have drifted a little.
McQueen.
You got hurt. We should have helped sooner. I got bitter. I wanted payback. Then make it right. No more pranks. I'm done.
Good.
Good.
I'm still watching you. Welcome back, McQueen.
Yeah, I'm staying alive this time.
That's the spirit.
Don't say spirit. That was tougher than I thought.
I just need a little rest.
Whoa! Hey.
And anyone there?
Please.
Quiet morning.
Lightning?
You pushed yourself too far.
Thought I was done. Thought I was done.
Not today.
Man, you look rough. Patience wins races. I'm learning that I feel alive again. Back on track. You sure you're ready, Kingpin? Let's see if that repair holds. Here we go. Stay calm. Stay calm.
Experience matters.
I won't quit. I trotting once and can't have Patsek Whiteout chow tack the boat item. I won't. Yes.
That's how champions grow.
Guess my work paid off.
This is just the beginning.
This place feels magical, Sally. Just don't go too fast. The ice looks thin.
Sally? I think the ice is cracking.
McQueen, no! I can't move.
Sally! beginning!
That can't be McQueen.
Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
McQueen? McQueen?
That voice.
You're not a monster. You're McQueen.
Remember.
Sally!
Sally, I'm back.
I knew you'd come back.
Everyone deserves a second chance.
I'll fix this. I promise.
We'll do it together.
That ocean changed me forever.
No more drifting alone. Let's go home.
This Christmas race feels bigger than ever.
Honk, honk, honk.
This ice is no joke today. Here we go! Here we go!
Easy. Steady. Avalanche! Stop!
Help! I can't move!
Hold on, I'm coming back! I'll keep this area safe.
Thank you!
Honk, honk! Let's finish this the right way. Wait, this way. We did it!
That was a real Christmas miracle.
Racing is great, but helping others matters most. everyone's good. That's what Christmas is about.
Honk, honk.
Best Christmas race ever.
Okay, McQueen, ready? You're gonna fly. Ka-chow! Let's go!
Whoa, slow down. I got this.
No, wait! Ka-chow! Uh-oh. Oh. McQueen! No, no, no! No, no, no! This doesn't feel good.
What am I turning into? Ka-chow, but sharper.
Beach day canceled.
Out to my wave.
That! I can't be McQueen.
Target sighted. Keep the beach clear.
Nice try. Reset. Reset.
McQueen, it's me!
Who said that?
You're my best racer! Best racer! Kid? I'm sorry. You're back. Don't worry. I've got you. I thought I lost you.
Stand down. Looks like the kid solved it.
He's not a monster. He's my toy.
No more ooze, please. Never again. Stay safe, little racer.
Thanks, and sorry about the umbrellas.
You scared me. I scared me too. No more max speed near windows. Deal. I like being on land.
We're okay now, right?
Ka-chow! Carefully. That's my champion. Best day, even with the shark part. Let's keep it toy-sized from now on.
Yes! I did it!
I lost. Again.
Speed isn't everything. Power is.
Will this really help me win?
Trust the science.
I feel the and still. Let's race fair and square. You'll see.
I need more power. Dr. the tower.
What's happening to me? I am unbeatable.
Strip!
No.
This isn't you.
If this is the only way to stop him. If this is the only way to stop him, I won't lose you. Huh.
Let's end the Kentoon this. You're too late. I'm right on time.
Can't control it.
You don't need this to be great. I'm sorry.
We all fall sometimes.
Thank you for stopping me.
Next race, no shortcuts. Let's enjoy the race. Yeah, together.
Perfect day to deliver Christmas gifts. Whoa! Where did that wind come from?
That don't look good, McQueen.
My rotors are freezing! I am losing control! Mayday! I'm going down!
Mater, follow me. She's falling fast.
She crashed in the forest.
Hang in there, Kathy. We're coming.
My rotor's jammed. I can't lift off.
She ain't flying iron until we melt all this ice.
Hold still, Kathy. This might help. Guys! The ice is breaking!
Come on, Kathy. Just a little more. Just a little more. Don't you worry. I'll get y'all out of here.
Thanks, Santiago, Fortinagnang. I'm going, see! I'm sliding back! Help!
Not today. You're not falling through that ice.
That's it. Steady now.
That was too close.
We just need her rotor working again.
I think I can move again.
Yeehaw! She's flying again.
System stable. Thank you, friends. I still have a delivery to finish.
Nice work today, buddy.
Merry Christmas, friends. See you soon.
Matter, this tree is gonna be huge.
Yep, biggest Christmas tree this town has ever seen. Little help here. I've got it. Easy, easy.
Mater? Whoops.
You're looking extra festive.
Huh, did the wind just change?
Yep, that's a big one.
That tree is leaning. Hold it now. We need to hold it, not at night.
I'll push it back, and I'll tie it down. Heads up! Nice catch!
I'm going for the star!
Be careful up there. Pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. But it's coming back.
Keep the line tight.
I'm slipping. Lean into me. I've got you.
The lights!
Hey, the crowd's helping. All right, now I can see the bolts. Tighten it right there. Incoming ornaments. Ornaments secured. Line it up. Inching it in. Now, stars in. Yes!
Is it steady?
Steady as a rock. Listen to that. We did it for them. Did I do that? Mater, please tell me you meant to do that.
Down.
Okay, now it's perfect. Told ya, I'm a Christmas pro. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Nice teamwork, Matter. Teamwork makes the tinsel work. Best Christmas ever. And we saved the tree together.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Let's make this a great Christmas race.
I plan to.
This storm's getting serious. Hey!
Help! I'm slipping.
Stop the race! Someone's in trouble!
This is Kathy Copter. I see the distress. Stay still. I'm lowering the line.
I'll hold the line.
And it's breaking.
Lifting now.
Keep it steady.
I'm losing lift.
Not letting go. Not letting go.
I'm safe.
Welcome back.
I went too far.
Christmas is about fixing mistakes.
Safety comes first. First. Nice teamwork down there.
Couldn't do it without you.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
This snow run is more fun than I thought.
That didn't sound good at all. Arsi bispantag the siskanernhinga.
Avalanche! Move!
I'm stuck. I can't move.
Hang on, Sal and Sally. I'm here. Don't worry. We've got ya. Gotcha. Gotcha. Hold tight. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Almost there. Don't stop.
Here comes another one. Go! Don't look back.
Keep your speed steady.
Incoming ice. Stay sharp.
This tunnel won't hold for long.
Follow my lead. Keep your wheel till steady.
Whoa, that was close.
Watch the trees. They are falling.
The ice will help us outrun it. It's still right behind us.
The ice is breaking. Faster.
Jump now.
And it's stopping. Good guy, Sally. Gee, we made it.
That was the wildest snow ride ever.
You all right, Sally? Thanks, you two. I couldn't have made it without you.
Christmas looks beautiful from up here. Beautiful and slippery. The storm's getting worse. My tires are telling me the same thing.
McQueen, I'm stuck. The road's breaking.
Mater, get ready! Tow hook ready! Whoa! That's a bit attention. Lean on me.
Please hurry. Easy. Gotcha.
Storm's peaking. Pulling hard. Keep it straight.
That was close.
She's clear. Clear.
Great job.
I thought I would miss Christmas.
Not a chance. Honk, honk. I made it home.
Teamwork saved the night. Christmas teamwork.
Thank you, Princesses. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Looks perfect. Looks perfect.
Merry Christmas! Best Christmas ever. Couldn't agree more.
It's unusually quiet today.
That cloud looks dangerous.
The storm is already here.
Whoa! This wind's trying to fly me away. That lamp's gonna fall. Yikes! That was close! And if it gets worse, we won't be able to see anything.
Someone's stuck over there.
Help! I'm stuck. The snow's getting too deep. Hang on, little buddy. Grazie. Pull! Pull! Come on. Just a little more.
Almost there. Keep pulling.
block the wind in for you. Mamma mia! Gotcha! Big front center!
Stay behind me.
Over here. This way.
Looks like it's slowing down. Finally!
Are you okay? Hey there, little fella.
We really made it through.
That storm didn't stand a chance against us. Now that was an adventure. Woohoo! Wide open road, here I come. McQueen, slow down!
Ay caramba! He's shaking my paint! He's going to hurt someone or himself.
Hey, Speedster, you want to pay for a repaint? Whoa there, buddy. I'm hauling feelings here. Sorry, Mac. Can't hear you. I'm flying. Now this is what I'm talking about.
He's pushing it on purpose. We gotta make him stop.
Signs are for slowpokes. Ow. Okay, not awesome.
Anyone? I could really use a tow right now.
Kathy, glad you're here.
Stay calm, I'll lift it. Easy.
Easy.
You're clear. Rolling you to the shop.
I messed up.
You will be okay. Lesson learned, right?
Do as if he now.
Okay, where is he now? He's never gone this long. I'll roll with y'all.
Something ain't right. McQueen.
Lightning! Where you at, amigo?
Amigo? No. That's him.
Oh, buddy. I was so mad. I never said I cared. I'm sorry, kid.
We pushed him away.
Please forgive us. They really care. McQueen? You're alive! Get over here, buddy. I am sorry I was speeding.
And we are sorry we yelled.
From now on, we ride together. This is going to be an amazing Christmas race. Hope you're ready to lose on Christmas. We'll sauce that.
it! Racing's rough. Easy. The ice is fake. Nothing can stop me. Help! I'm stuck. We'll lose the race. We won't lose Christmas.
What is that thing?
Keep pulling. I've got him.
I shouldn't have cheated.
Now. Pull.
You saved me. I'm sorry.
Christmas is about second chances.
That's how a champion acts.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Whoa!